In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to replace an entire marketing team with a simple autonomous agent workflow. What I'm going to be showing you here in this video is what separates the hype and the tinkerers from the absolute bleeding edge of autonomous AI technology. So this quick diagram will give you a better idea of how it works, and then we're going to jump over to Telegram and I'm going to show you this bot in action. Then after that, I'm going to show you the exact steps you can follow to either have this set up for you or to set it up yourself. So let's take a look at what this is. So this should clarify what people are actually doing. One of the biggest questions I've seen is, what can AI actually do? So here's a diagram. Basically, you control this via Telegram. So you just send your autonomous agent a message and tell it what you want done, and then it spawns up sub-agents that do the work. So basically, you might text Telegram, hey, create a post for social media, and it's not just going to post some AI slop. Again, this is what separates the bleeding edge of technology and AI that actually converts from just garbage content. So what this does is it's going to spawn up a research agent that's going to go check trends, it's going to check data, it's going to create reports, and it's going to then give that information to you and then pass it along to a second agent, which creates the content and can post it to your social media. And then I've even incorporated a beta aspect of it, a third agent that will go and edit your WordPress website. So this is what that looks like. Let's jump over here to Telegram. So I have a schedule set up where this agent messages me 4 times a day to create content, and it automatically does the research. So here it pinged me with the research summary. The shift from traditional trigger action platforms like Zapier to autonomous AI agents is accelerating. Here's the high value data gathered. And then it gives me some data points, and it stops and it waits for me. This is what separates the slop from quality content. So status, waiting on you, James, to provide the strategic hook before drafting the post. So then I told it, create a powerful hook that plays on small business owners' identity and their need to remain adaptive to market changes and magnifies their pain of bleeding money to subscriptions and contractors. The CTA is to comment autonomous to see how an agent could streamline their workflow without adding expense. And then just a few seconds later, the agent came back and said the drafts are ready. They hit the identity pain points exactly as requested and position legacy SaaS subscriptions as a liability. So then it gives me a Facebook post, a LinkedIn post, and a Threads post, and it asks for permission to post them. So all I'm going to do is say post it. And now I've told the agent what to do, and it's actually going to go and post these posts. I'll prove it to you in just a second. We'll go take a look at LinkedIn and make sure the post is live. It takes a couple minutes to go through sometimes, but that is the workflow. We just controlled an autonomous agent through Telegram, and it's now doing work for me. It went and it did research. It came back to me. It said, is this good? I said, yes. It crafted the content. It came back to me. It said, is this content good? So these human in the loop protocols are what create your bot from going crazy and just spamming garbage content. And so then I could go on. So here it comes back. The posts are live and scheduled out on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Threads via Posties. That's the integration we use, but you don't need to know anything about that to get this set up. What's the next objective? So I could literally go tell this, hey, create a new page on my website that explains what you just explained in these posts, and it will then go and do it again. It'll spawn up an autonomous agent to set this up. So how can you set this up for yourself? Well, by the way, my name is James Jernigan. For those of you who are new here, I help small businesses adopt AI and automation to streamline their workflows. That's basically what I do. I got into this stuff because my wife and I were traveling the country in a converted school bus RV, and I needed a way to make money on the go from anywhere we had internet connection. And I started getting into automation and AI so that we could spend more time hiking and exploring and doing the stuff we want to do. So this isn't really about me. I just want to kind of show you my credentials so that you understand I know what I'm talking about. Recently, Russell Brunson purchased one of my affiliate marketing courses called Profit Passively on stage during his Offer Lab launch. So in front of like 20,000 people, the legend of direct marketing himself got his attention with this type of stuff. And if you know Austin Armstrong, the founder of Syllabi, one of the coolest AI video marketing tools, he's brought me in to his world to help some of his help train some of his audience on how to create automated systems to make money online. So I've been doing this a long time. I have a network of people who are into the same stuff, who are also interested in this. So here's how you can get this set up for yourself. All you need to do is come to my website, jamesjernigan.com, click this green button that says deploy agent, and then there's going to be a couple options. You'll be able to either do this yourself, in which case you will get the do-it-yourself setup guide, and this literally walks you through step by step here, completely transparent. I'm showing you what you're going to get. Step 1, to set up your server, so that's going to create your VPS. Then it's going to show you how to install OpenClaw. It's going to show you how to unzip and install the package. And then it's going to show you how and where to get your API credentials and add them. And what's cool is, if you're new to this, this is basically has a bootstrapping protocol. And if you don't know what that means, it means when you start up the agent, it's going to walk you through setting it up so you don't get lost. It's going to tell you exactly what keys you need and where to put them, and it's going to create the files and basically secure itself. And the other option is the done for you option. If you click that button, you will get this done for you client intake form, and it's basically the same thing. It's going to walk you through here information about your business. It's going to show you how to set up the required API tokens. And that's because this is completely set up for you. I just hand over, I'm basically building you a race car here, and then I'm just handing it over to you, giving you the keys. So you'll need to go set up the required subscriptions that go along with this. It's not expensive. It'll cost you maybe 50 to 100 bucks a month all in to run this thing. Of course, maybe more if you go crazy with it. But that's why you set up the API keys, and then basically you're just going to give me all of this information. I set this bot up for you. I give you a Telegram link and say it's live, and then that's it. You have this bot that you can control via Telegram, and of course you'll be able to log into the back end of it too. I'll provide instructions to do that, but that's it. All you need to do is come to jamesjernigan.com, click this green button that says deploy agent, and choose whether you want to do it yourself or you want me to do it for you, and that's it. You can have one of these cutting edge autonomous AI agents that will actually go out and do work for you and streamline your workflow and reduce those expenses, whether you have people on site doing this stuff or you're paying a virtual assistant, or the worst one, you're sitting there at ChatGPT manually typing in things and then copying and pasting and doing all this manually, and you thought AI was supposed to save you time, but it's not. That's what this is for, and that's what separates the hype and the tinkerers from the people who are actually making groundbreaking progress by automating their workflows with AI. So let's come over to LinkedIn real quick before I let you go. Here you can see this is my analytics. I was not using LinkedIn at all before I set up this autonomous agent, and you can see that in the week since I've got it set up, it is just steady gaining impressions, and the posts are getting more views than I've ever got before on LinkedIn, and it literally is, it takes me no time at all. I'm already messaging the bot via Telegram to post to my other accounts. I said, hey, post to LinkedIn. So now this is a whole nother platform that this is growing for me with no extra time. And so if I come to my profile here, let's just see if that recent post posted. So I'll scroll down here to activity, and here we go, 4 minutes ago. This is the post that it just showed me in Telegram. Innovative founders are quietly cutting their operational software costs by 40 to 60%. How? By abandoning legacy trigger action toll booths like Zapier. So that has already posted to my account. And again, it was all controlled via Telegram. So if you want this set up for yourself, again, just head to jamesjernigan.com, click this green button that says deploy agent. There's going to be some more details about it on this page. And then again, you just select whether you want to do this yourself or have me do it for you. Fill out the proper form or follow the steps that you need to follow, and let's get this set up for you.